Welcome to our channel. Today I hope to show you how to clean the headphone jack on a Motorola G05 phone. So we start by first turning off the phone. Never clean your phone while it's turned on. You always have to turn it off first. Only then can we start cleaning it in any way. The phone is now turned off. To clean the jack socket, we need a small round brush like this. It's about 2 or 3 centimeters long. This is important because the brush will almost completely fit into the jack socket, so it's important that it's flexible, that it has bristles, but not too stiff. We also need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol, so that it softens the dirt for us, cleans the contacts, and then fully evaporates so that nothing remains in the socket, because otherwise something could get blocked again, or something might not connect properly. You can buy both of these things as a set on Allegro or Amazon, so you can find them easily. But there really isn't any other option. We can't come up with any homemade method to use instead. So, we have the phone turned off. We thoroughly spray our brush with alcohol so that it's completely wet. Once the brush is completely wet, we take the phone. We insert it all the way into the port, as far as the brush will go, and turn it 5 times to the right, then 5 times to the left, and pull it out of the port, so that if any dust or anything has collected, it will simply come out together with the bar brush. And again, we insert it, turn it a few times to the right, then a few times to the left. Not right and left, just a few times in one direction, so that the contacts and dirt inside can get properly cleaned, so the dirt comes out instead of being pushed further up, right? So we repeat this process 5 or 10 times, depending on how dirty the socket was. And then we'll have a phone with a clean, perfectly clean socket, almost like new, as if it just came out of the box. After the procedure, we set the phone aside in its place, for example on a table or somewhere, for about 10 or 15 minutes, so that the alcohol has time to evaporate, and only then can we turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in our next video.